Fivejoy C1, the whole pouch, another Velcro system as I showed you earlier. So really, the thing I wanted to talk about most is when you're changing positions, this would be like the grapple position, and then you get into the scrape position, which would be this one. And you know, you can scrape stuff, and then loosening the collar again here to move it a little bit more, and that's to move it into the shovel position. And what it's doing, it's got a collar here with holes. So basically, if we can get a shot of that. So the pin fits into the hole, which is there, and what you're doing is just screwing it in. You know, having a look at it and having used the other couple of models that that Fivejoy has, this is by far the smallest and lightest, easiest to pack and to carry with you. So if you're going camping, hiking, I think this is the model for you. I think that if you're just want something small, emergency use, to stow away in your car, you know, you can use this one. It's tough, as we pointed out earlier. The issues I have with it is this locking and unlocking system. As I was beating on a tree earlier, this came loose, so you're gonna have to make sure it's really tight. And if you start to feel it wobble a little bit, you want to retighten it. I'd say that was one of the issues. It's not built for speed in terms of changing collar positions. The RS, which you could use, you pull the collar down and change positions. So the RS is easier to use in that respect, but it's bigger, it's heavier. It's not something you necessarily want to hike with, but you could use it for camping or have in your car, stowed away in your car, in your shed, for gardening and other uses. Again, it's a foldable. It's got the knife on it, which is cool to have as well, with the saw, the little saw. It also has a saw blade on the spade itself. It's got the whistle, and it's got the fire steel in there as well that we saw earlier that works. So that's pretty cool. I don't see a problem with that. Again, if you're interested in the RS model, the C1 might be a better option if you're into hiking or into more lightweight stuff, smaller pack size, what have you. This would probably be a better model for you in terms of changing angles and stuff like that, and sheer size of the blade. You're going to get that in the RS model, but you're going to exchange for lightweight, smaller pack size, more portable. You get a lot of cordage here too, so that's cool, a lot of paracord. As with the other two models of shovel that Fivejoy sent me to review, they want to give you guys a chance to win one of these. All you have to do is like the video, share the video, let me know in the comments where you shared the video. Again, the contest is for North America only. Sorry, that's where they ship to. That is it for the review. Take care.